Good morning, YouTube. It is Saturday, the 26th, 25th of November. I don't know. All the days run together. But today we are headed to the Houston Auto Show. It's going to be a lot of fun. Weather-wise, think of last video, just windier. Good thing this is inside. So, let's go.
3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
All right, we are in, and this is what we're dealing with. I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna go down to the right and start on the right end. Just start there. This is where like the swap meet is and everything. So I'll start there, then I'll come back and take photos of the cars and I'll show you the highlights, because there's a lot of highlights when you look at like this 57 Bel Air. It's pretty amazing. I love this auto show. This is one of my favorite things to do during the year. Photographing cars is probably my favorite thing to photograph other than wildlife. But man, this show just makes it so I can photograph a bunch of incredible vehicles all in one place. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so we're gonna start right here with a 2018 Ford Mustang. It is fully restored. Starting off right here for you, Adam. There you go. 2018 Ford. Then here you have 93, I believe. Yeah, 1993 Cobra. So here you go. It's a 2006 Ford Mustang. The thing is, that's a 67. They're pretty much twins. Look at that. This 2006 has been made to look like the 67. It's a 67 Tribute. That is beautiful. All right, these cars are from the Bootleggers Car Club. That is gorgeous. All right, so we have listened to the band, we have seen the cars, most of them, and we've taken the photos, but I'm hungry. Of course now they play that, but we don't want to go over there and listen to it because that would be a copyright strike. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to head out of here. When we get to the car, I'll show you what I bought, and yeah, it's been a good day. I've enjoyed myself. Oh, but I didn't see these cars. All right, so maybe I'm not done. So let me show you what I'm looking at. Yeah, I totally missed maybe this row, because that is a beautiful Ford Coupe, 32 Ford Coupe. Look at that. Then the 32 Ford Highboy. Wow, gorgeous. Then another 32 Ford here. Man, they are absolutely gorgeous. But once again, the rope really makes it hard to get any good photos without a telephoto lens. And I did not bring one of those, but man, gorgeous, gorgeous automobiles. Okay, the last car of the day. And this is in Cove. This is a 65 Chevy Cobra. What a way to end it. It's a beautiful car. 65 Shelby Cobra. Wow. All right, I'll see you in the car. All right, YouTube, that was it. I'm in the parking garage getting ready to leave. I did purchase two things today. Two very small things, $10 altogether. But I got a 54 and an 87 Whataburger table tent. $5 a piece. One for the age I am now, and 87 when I graduated. They didn't have a 68, or I would have got the 68 and not gotten any of the others. But now I've got those. So yeah, just a little fun thing. How good this video is going to be, I don't know, because this is the first time I've ever done vlogged a car show. I love car shows, but I usually just photograph them, so might be a little disjointed, but it's my first one. Hopefully next time will be better. Hopefully it won't be a year from now, because I love car shows. Bye. See you next time.